When you're customizing your avatar on Roblox desktop, you can't actually equip multiple accessories, you just have to go through a few extra steps. First, we want to go to the avatar editor. We can do this by clicking the three lines in the top left-hand corner and then going down to avatar. Once we're here, we can go to whichever section we want to equip multiple accessories. For example, if we want to have multiple neck accessories, we can go to accessories and then go to neck. So as we can see, if we equip one accessory and then we try equipping another accessory, it will not let us have both and it'll only make sure we have one neck accessory equipped. However, for my avatar, I want to wear both the Youngblood lock necklace and Jack's bow tie. So how do we do this? Well, we need to get the asset ID of one of the items. So let's say we already have Jack's bow tie equipped. We need to get the asset ID of Youngblood's lock necklace. So all we need to do is go to the Youngblood's lock necklace page, and in the web address up here, it says roblox.com/catalog/ a bunch of numbers and then the title of the item. These bunch of numbers are the asset ID for this item. So all we need to do is double click the numbers and then click Control C or just copy. Then we can go back to our avatar homepage. Depending on what page you're on, you may need to scroll down, but right above the recommended items, you see a little setting here called Advanced. If we click this, it'll take us to this page. These are all the items that we have on. So in order to add an item to this list, all we need to do is click one of the blank spaces and then paste the asset ID of the item that we want to add. And then we can go ahead and click save. Are you sure you want to override your current look? Yes, save it. Now, as you can see, that has made sure I have both Jack's bow tie on and the Youngblood lock necklace. Something important to note is that if you're back on this page and you don't have any asset ID spots open, that means you've officially hit the maximum number of accessories that you can have on your avatar and you can't equip any more. It's also important to note that after you've altered these advanced settings and then you try to, say, equip the emo spiked choker as well, it'll automatically override whatever you have saved, so you need to redo the process and get the asset ID again, then click advanced again, then copy paste the code again. Now this process is exactly the same no matter what accessory you're trying to do. It even works for hairs, back accessories, front accessories, whatever you want. You can just input the asset ID in this page and that'll make sure it's equipped to your avatar. And that's how to equip multiple accessories on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment down below if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.